Getting about those things again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous, coming at you live from the West Coast yet again, San Jose, California. So today we are unboxing a new little action cam. You guys can see GoPro. Pretty sure you guys already know by the title of the video. Now this is the 11, of course, right here. I'm currently recording with the 10. This is what's on the tripod right now, and this is the 12. So between this and this, I'm not sure if there's a huge improvement, but we'll get into the features in a different video. So this is just an unboxing. We'll see what this is, what's inside of it. I'm pretty sure I know what's inside, but hey, let's just confirm what's in here. So let's go ahead and pull this little sleeve off that they've added. This is different for the GoPro 12, and or this could be just the packaging when you order it via GoPro. Alright, so here's the back of it. Let's look at some of the features. 27 megapixels. I believe this is still the same sensor as in the Hero 11. Same sensor. Pretty much everything you see with the 12 is the same. You have 10-bit color. You have raw photos. I believe, yeah, you also have raw photos. I think this is what's new for the 12, HDR video and photo. I mean, this is already there. Time warp 3.0, so I guess a little bit of an improvement. I believe most of what you get with the 12 is just a software update, and you also get one more thing that I don't see on here. But yeah, waterproof. Yeah, 5.3K 60 video, 4K 120. That's the same as the Hero 11. Pretty much, I mean, pretty close. I'll have to remember. I don't remember. Hyperview, that's also with the Hero 11. Time warp 3.0, I'm not too sure, but I've never used the time warp except for one time when I was traveling outside of the city, and it didn't even work as it should. I don't know. I don't really know how to fully use it. So we have Hyper Smooth 6.0. Honestly, anything with Rocksteady, Hyper Smooth image stability after Hero 8 or Hero 7 has been fantastic. I mean, you really can't tell the difference between, you know, or I can't even tell the difference between the Hero 7 all the way up to until Hero 11. I can't really tell the difference. The image stability is fantastic in these cameras. Same thing with the DJI, which is another camera that I also have. So that's I guess that's one of the features. And of course, you also have Horizon Steady. That's something that they've introduced with this one without the lens mod. I have the lens mod. I'll put it on this, and we'll see if it works with the 1.0. So we have the auto upload. So I mean, this takes hours. If you have a lot of video content, or if you have, you know, 10 gigabytes of content, this takes forever to upload. Let's see what's inside. This includes the Enduro battery, which is the white one, not the blue one, and yeah, the USB Type-C cable, a few mounts, and yes, this is pretty much the same as what you would get. So if you already bought a Hero 8, 9, 10, 11, you're gonna get the same sort of content inside. So how do you open this? So I guess you could open it from the bottom and pull out the little container. Oh, okay, I see what they did here. There is no case. There is no case for the 2023. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so of course a quick little setup how to do it. GoPro, subscribe to GoPro for the best experience. I've tried using their editing app. There's paywalls. You're pretty much better off using whatever's on your phone, or using DaVinci Resolve. You know, it's all free and you get a lot of the great features. So yeah, you do get a discount. I am subscribed to GoPro. I did get a discount for this camera. That's the only reason why I bought it, is because they gave me a discount. You get a discount once a year for a brand new camera, which is nice. I really don't know if this is worth it. it's only, like I said, it's good for the add-ons, for the accessories, and it's good for the discounts. But overall, the $50 a year. And I mean, I really don't use the auto upload because it takes so long. But I'll probably go over that in a different video. They also changed something with the camera replacement that I'm not happy with. So, little quick startup guide. You got to download the app, install the battery, install the SD card, format it, and then connect it to your phone. And then I'm pretty sure there's going to be an update. So I'm hoping this is less glitchy than all the previous GoPros. I don't know. That's one of the things that sucks with these GoPros. They have like these glitches. They have these issues out of the box. And I mean, like I said, I've owned them all since GoPro Hero 5, and you know, it's just something that you could 100% rely on, and is on how glitchy their cameras are out of the box. So they haven't done much with the processor. They've already updated that last year. They've updated the camera image sensor. So man, I mean, they should absolutely fix these glitches. So let's go over what you get. You get one mount. That's also been changed. You used to get at least 2 of these. Now you get one. You get the USB Type-C cable. That's always been the case. You have the little locking screw. You have one battery, Endura battery. I have several of these, of course. And then you have the GoPro itself, which I can't even take out for some reason. All right, so they added a lot of this tape. This is new for the GoPro Hero 12. They didn't ship it with all this paper. So you have you have this plastic piece, or this paper piece. That's new. You also have covers for the lens and the displays. That's also new. That's not your camera must be updated before you can use it. So yes. And so far, the overall look, they have a texture, kind of like an epoxy floor, a little bit of a speckled finish blue to kind of match the GoPro highlight here, and of course the 12. You can see them side by side. Same camera, same mounting system. Oh wait a minute, you have a quarter inch screw over here that you can mount. I believe that's a 1/4 inch. I'm not entirely sure. So this should work with my tripod without using the bracket system from GoPro. So that's neat. That's something that they went ahead and changed for this year. And I wonder if you could just buy this adapter to use on your other GoPros. So that's new. Okay, I don't remember seeing that on this one. And you can see the spacing is also different. I don't see it there. So now you have a little built-in 1/4 inch, I'm guessing, screw hole or tripod that you can mount to. So that's neat. Let's see if we could open this. And another thing that I noticed, the finish does not match the camera body on these on these battery doors. But most often than not, I usually replace these with my own. What is this called? It's called a Lunazi. It's on my Hero 10. You can also see it on my Hero 11. I replaced the door. So something that has a USB. Because I don't take these underwater, so I don't need the water capabilities, the waterproof. So that's why I typically replace these and use something else. So there it is. That's the unboxing. In case you're wondering, I'll show you the cases that I do have, the cases that used to come with this, and maybe I'll show you guys what SD card I'm using, in case you're wondering. All right, so for the longest, you had these cases. I have a bunch more. I have them in my bag. So these were the cases that were shipped with the GoPros typically. This, of course, was like this, just like that. So you see how well that fits. So they removed the case, they removed the additional mounts, of course. And in case you guys are wondering what's in this thing, I have just more GoPro stuff. So adapters, I have a cage. Same thing on this one. I have my Osmo Action. I also have my 360, some mics, the remote that doesn't work, and we have multiple different little things. This is where I was mentioning about the little adapter that you would need, so you could actually not have this mount and just use whatever is on your GoPro, which is nice. It's a neat little device. I also saw, it's not on the box, but I also saw that they have a Bluetooth audio connectivity, which is also new, and I wonder if they're going to bring that to the Hero 11. I don't know if they have a Bluetooth receiver in this, or I'm not sure how they're doing it. I believe there is a Bluetooth receiver in this because you're able to connect it via Android or Apple. You're able to connect it and update it. So there's got to be some type of receiver in here that allows you to communicate. And I don't know if it's Wi-Fi or if it's Bluetooth, so that's what I'm just wondering about. Overall, the camera looks good. I'm guessing it's the same weight, a little bit over 4 ounces, just the camera body, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I also have the media mod. This is the same one for the 9, 10. Is it the 9? I believe it's the 9, 10, 11, and now the 12. So this is the same media mod that you can use across all of these same camera bodies, which is neat that they're able to keep the camera body the same and not have to offer a whole line of accessories that's not going to work with your previous generation GoPros. I just wish they had done a little bit more, but we'll go over that in another video. So this is the SD card that I got for this camera. The reason why I got this is I just like the way it manages the files. When I get a cheaper SD card, not a class A2 or something that writes this fast. I believe it's 140 megabyte writing speed. Yeah, here we go. So 140 megabytes. For some reason, it just splits my videos in like every 4 gigabytes. When I have this SD card, it typically, I could record up to, I believe, 8 minutes of footage, and it'll keep it in one file. When I do it, with the other cheaper, and we're talking about, I mean, like $5 or $10. It's not really that much of a difference, but I'll get 3 different file sizes or 3 different files for one video, which is a little bit annoying. So yeah, we're going with the Extreme Pro 256 for this camera. 256 gigabytes is more than enough. You have like 6 hours of runtime. That's what I did with my Hero 10 when I recorded the install for the cam on the Harley, on the lowrider. I was able to film quite a bit of footage, and 256, that's good enough, and it's at a good price point. So you guys stay out there, stay safe. Enough rambling. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll do comparisons. And of course, I have the media mod right here. We're gonna put it to the test. We'll see if this works, because this is not the 2.0. This is the 1.0 media mod, and I wonder if it's gonna downsample or if it's gonna lower the quality, because this is one of the reasons why I didn't use this on my 11 was because I wasn't able to record in 4K. It was only 2.7K. So anyways, I'm rambling. I'll discuss all of that stuff in a separate video. You guys stay out there, stay safe. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.